a database for your website. Why not if others do? In today's world, there are over 1 million databases storing all sorts of information from government files to consumer order logs. But do you need them for non-commercial website? Well, imagine that you've created a website for your friends and family where you can post some media files, and they are constantly sending you each media file to post. You got photos, videos, and audio files, plus on this website you can have a contacts page where you can have the names, emails, and telephone numbers of your family and friends. Your website keeps growing, so it could be a real pain to manage all the information that they send you. With database, you can let your friends update the information themselves through some simple web forms and use the database to update your pages automatically. So if your website content changes daily, having a database can ease administration. You would also need a database to update posting for the websites that post user-generated content. And of course, for e-commerce websites, you will need a database where you can store product details and customers' data. But which is the best database for a website? Well, actually, it really depends on the data that you want to store and the programming language you choose. There are relational SQL or non-relational data structures. SQL-based databases like MySQL or Oracle use structured query language. They are great for complex queries, but while using them, all your data must follow the same structure. While NoSQL databases like Mongo are flexible, they have dynamic schema for unstructured data. SQL databases is a better option for applications that require multi-row transactions, such as an accounting system or systems that monitor inventory. While NoSQL databases is the preferred choice for large or ever-changing datasets. So if you cannot define a schema for your database, NoSQL like Mongo, a document database, would be a better choice. Investigate exactly what you'll need to build the website, then go for it. Knowledge of databases can be extremely helpful and powerful in resolving problems around data storage, organization, and retrieval. You don't need to be an expert, but knowing how to connect to a database using some sort of data browser tools and run simple queries would likely be needed to test any information loaded to a database. This knowledge will open up more opportunities for you, especially if you want to be either a backend or a full-stack developer and build dynamic websites.